Hey everyone, it's Kelly from Here Comes the Sun, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own watercolor stickers using Silhouette Machine. So this is what we're going to be making, this watercolor monogram with the watercolor floral wreath. So the first thing that you need is obviously Silhouette Studio, and then you need some watercolor clip art. So I have some that I've made. I'll leave the link to this clip art in the description below. So all you're going to do is drag your clip art onto a new file in Silhouette. And I don't think I used all of these. I didn't use the orange one. I think we used this one and maybe this one. Okay. So once you have everything that you want, you just click and drag, and you can rotate. You can scale up, scale down until you get everything where you want it. Okay, and once you have things the way you want it, if you want to duplicate a flower, you just click and you can do Control or Command C and Control or Command V and just click and drag it. So I'm going to put another duplicate one and put that one down there, and then I'm going to Control or Command this one, and put it over here on this side, rotate it, and then same thing with these two. Move that one down here, and then this one, it didn't copy. Oh wait, yes it did. Okay, delete that one there. Okay, so then you just have everything in place, and you can just tweak it however you want. I think that looks pretty good. So then you're going to come over here to your page setup, which is the top right, and click on this icon right here, and that's going to put in some registration marks. So on this drop down menu, you just hit type 1 and it puts the registration marks in there for you. Now you want to be sure that all your items are on the white, and see how this right here is kind of extending up into the hatched area. You don't want that, and so you can go select all and then just drag it down so everything is in the white area. Now we're gonna put our cut marks on, or cut lines on. So to do that, you come over to this icon right here. It looks like a butterfly. So click on that, and we're going to trace our clip art. So select trace area, and we're just going to click and drag until everything is highlighted, like so. And then you come over here to threshold, and you can play around with the threshold. Just adjust the threshold until everything is yellow. Because whatever is yellow is going to be cut. So I usually put the threshold up. On this one it looks like about 98, and then I adjust the low pass filter to get some of these areas right here that you can see still aren't yellow If I can get some of those to become yellow, that is what we're looking for. So now everything all your clip art is going to be cut. So you come down here to trace and hit trace, and then if you zoom in, you can see that there are red lines around all of your clip art elements. So the red lines is what's going to cut. So next you're going to send it to your Silhouette machine, or I'm sorry, you're going to send it to your printer. And you just come over here, send to printer, click that, and choose your printer and print it out. And then after it's printed, the registration marks will print on your paper. And then what you do is you take your paper and you actually make sure to print it out on sticker paper, not regular paper. And I'll leave the link to the sticker paper in the box below. So after you print it out on your sticker paper, then you're going to feed it into your Silhouette machine and then cut it with your Silhouette machine. And the machine will register the cut marks. You have to register the cut marks first. So it'll scan it will scan the registration marks, and then when you cut it, it will cut around these red cut lines, and then you'll be left with stickers. So after your stickers are cut, then you'll weed it and you'll use some transfer tape, and you can place the stickers wherever you want. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want more, be sure to subscribe and also visit my blog at herecomesthesunblog.net. Thanks for watching.